everyone, minasan konnichiwa.
Welcome to our channel by Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
We post easy peasy recipe videos on this channel.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today we'll be making egg burji, which is also known as anda burji in India.
It is very similar to scrambled eggs and it is very easy to prepare and hardly requires any time.
So without any further delay,
Let's get started. Take a pan over medium heat. Add the oil and wait until it heats up. Next, add the chopped green chilies and ginger and mix until aromatic. Now add the chopped onions and mix well. You can also add vegetables like capsicum, peas and carrots to this recipe for more flavor. Saute until the onions turn slightly golden brown. Next, we will add the spices. First, add turmeric and mix well. With this, the color has changed into a nice yellow. Next, add some salt. Once you add salt, the onions will start sweating. Add the tomatoes at this stage. We are using store-bought cut tomatoes. Mix well until the tomatoes become soft. Once the excess moisture has evaporated, add the garam masala and mix thoroughly. Egg burji served with bread is a great street food in mostly all major cities in India. Also, there are many Iranian-style cafes in India where burji is served with buns. Next, add the eggs and stir continuously until the mixture forms soft curds. You could also whisk the eggs before adding them. As I had said before, burji is very similar to scrambled eggs, but scrambled eggs are on the runnier or creamier side, whereas for burji, we need to cook the eggs really well so that they blend well with the spices. Also, as we love spicy food, we've added a generous amount of chilies and garam masala. You could adjust the amount according to your preference. So now stir and cook well. Once the eggs have formed into little dry curds, break them more using the spatula or stirrer. Once cooked well, turn off the heat. To garnish, add some coriander and mix well. And there you have it, easy spicy egg burji. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Minasan, ikagadatta desho ka? Please do like, share and comment to this video if you like it.
And also please subscribe to our channel, it gives us a huge motivation to do more.
Also follow us on Instagram.
And also all the links are given in the description box below, so please do take a look at that.
Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye
Bye bye.